Hi viewers and welcome back to Eating with Soula. My next guest has been spreading the rumour that he's the Bradley Cooper to my Lady Gaga. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kim Vatikas.
My director.
This is Baldy. This is him. What are you making?
Well, today I'm making Baldy's Beauty.
Well, you're not making anything then.
My chocolate cake is my
Baldy's.
beauty. That's the only beauty I have.
Well, no, you've got a lot of internal beauty, darling. You do. Oh, yum. And you know how much I love chocolate. So let's go through.
Do you think you should be eating chocolate cake?
Why wouldn't I be? You know what I do? I just pop a laxette in there. I do. I enjoy the moment, and then I'm just dashing away like a one-horse open sleigh to the... Anyway, let's not go there, darling.
This is a flourless chocolate cake.
A flourless chocolate
Yeah,
cake.
yes. So we start with the chocolate. So we have 400 grams of chocolate, which we melt in a double boiler. So you bring the saucepan of hot water to boil, you put a bowl of chocolate on top, and you let it melt.
Ooh.
Then you actually need to let the chocolate cool a bit before you mix it in. And
So doesn't it then just
it
back
does
into a bar?
eventually, but
not for a
takes
while.
ages.
Oh, okay.
So it can cool down and still be, like this has been sitting here for at least 20 minutes and it's still soft.
Me and Bradley Cooper with this chocolate. Oh, wouldn't that be a scene? Sorry, darling.
So you preset the oven to 150 degrees while that's heating, and also what we do is we line the pan. So I've sprayed it with spray oil, then I've put in the foil, and then I've sprayed that on top again. So it doesn't stick to the pan and it doesn't stick to the cake. And the other thing is to get the foil as smooth as possible, because that's going to be the top of your cake, and then you won't get any marks in the top of your cake. 'Cause
that's the top. The bottom's the top.
You flip it over so you get a nice smooth top. You like a smooth top.
Oh, doll. Really? I don't know what he's referring to.
So anyway, let's start with the mixing. So what we've got is 5 eggs.
5 eggs. Are they
5
organic eggs or cage? Oh, they are.
Of course.
Oh, good.
You know, even though we eat animals, we still treat them nicely.
We do. Well, I treat you nicely, darling. I'll take that.
You're
Thank
calling
you.
me an animal.
Well, you're a good animal.
And then,
Oh my God! Look at these vintage measuring cups. Where did you find
in
these?
the cupboard.
I don't know what's in my cupboard, darling. Really, the back of my
No, they were
cupboard?
in my cupboard.
Were they?
I can't remember.
They're so gorgeous. Can I have them?
At a cost.
At a cost.
Yes.
I'm not going there.
So to 5 eggs, we add 75 grams of brown sugar.
Brown.
And then we mix these two together until they're like a savion.
You liking my dress? It's a Sam Fennick couture design. Do you know that you remind me of someone? I'm going to give you a clue as to who.
Thanks. You can see how that's quite aerated and bubbly.
Yeah, it is.
And so all this brown sugar is mixed into the eggs. Now what we do is we add half the chocolate.
Oh, yum.
You mix this gently by hand. So now we're going to add half a cup of cream. And I've actually got lactose-free cream.
Oh, I saw that, Zygle.
Yes.
So this is sort of a semi-lactose-free dessert.
You don't have to use lactose-free cream. You can share it with lactose people who are lactose intolerant.
They're fun to party.
So now we add
What?
the rest of the chocolate. What have I told you about drinking on set?
No, this is just iced tea.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
No. Iced tea.
Can I just check that?
No sugar. Oh my God, iced tea is
See what I
just...
have to work with?
Iced tea is
Truth
the
and
best.
lies.
Darling, you are
I can
everything.
smell that ice tea.
Can you?
Yes.
Well, it's the sugar coming off the tea, darling.
It smells like iced tea. Can I have some of that iced tea?
Do you want? But you know you like sugar in your iced tea, darling. This has got no sugar in it.
We can add a bit of brandy or a bit of scotch. Look what I found in Soula's cupboard. A small bottle of scotch whiskey. So we add a quarter of a cup
Isn't that adorable? Look at that.
brandy.
Brandy or scotch? You're letting off a scent, darling. What's that about?
What kind of scent? Is it turning you on?
No, but it's doing something to me. You're an old man, but I love him. I do love him. It's odd.
You're older than me.
Odd, not older. I'm only minutes older than you. Oh my God, he always goes to that, always that I'm the older one.
What we do is we're going to actually use this pan as a bath.
As a bath.
As a bath. So we pour the chocolate into it.
Oh, look at that. There are veins all over your head.
It's the stress of
It's the
working with
stress.
Soula Marine.
I am fond of you, darling. I do give you a hard time, darling. But apart from all the smells and the body noises and the things that emanate from you, I do love you dearly. I do. I'm being silly. I love him. I do.
Yeah, right.
He's like a stray dog that came into my life that you just love because they've been through a lot in their lives. And then when they've found you, you know that the rest of their life's going to be good.
So now we need to put some water in the pan.
And we pour it all in here.
Yes.
How much? An inch of water?
No, keep going. So the water is at the same level as the cake. Then that goes into the oven, 150 degrees for 80 to 90 minutes. You can monitor it. When the toothpick test comes out, clean, then it's ready. And then you let it cool
For how long?
until it's cool.
That makes sense.
And what we do is when we present it, we flip it over.
Yeah. Well, look at that.
So the reason we have it upside down so as we get the smooth top.
That beautiful top. It's so flat.
To decorate the cake, I get leaves out of the garden, which I've washed, and I dip it into the chocolate.
So you've peeled those off the green leaves. Oh, look at those. So this is all edible.
Yes. So the trick with the leaves is to use a strong leaf, but a bit veiny, so you get the texture, but it's easy to peel off. If the leaf is too thin, that'll break apart. And you won't be able to get it off.
Okay, darling. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, Baldy's beauty. I'm so dying to try this.
You don't really need very big slices.
Well, maybe in your world, darling. Should you be popping that knife into boiling hot water?
That is a very good idea.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you say that again on camera?
That's a very good idea, Soula, for a change.
Oh, John, really? Do you want us to live to see the rest of the day, darling? Can we try it? Can we try it?
Absolutely.
Oh my God, Joel. Maybe you should stop directing and start cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Baldy's beauty. And it's the most gorgeous little bit of chocolate heaven. And as my gorgeous mother used to say, darling Soula Marie, spend your life having laughs with weird people. And I have. Get into the kitchen and start cooking, because cooking should never be a drag. And surprisingly, it wasn't this afternoon. This is good. I'm making it. Well, you're making me another one, and I'm eating it. There we are. See you soon.
Do you think you've had enough?
No.
You should wait till it warms up a bit, and I reckon we
Well, put it between your thighs and warm it up then, John.
But you do actually.
It's that good.